when should I hire a virtual assistant to help manage my Amazon ads? Here, I'm going to answer not only when should you hire a virtual assistant, which basically you would hire your own employee, maybe your own freelancer, full-timer, or even an agency to take over your ads. So when should you hire this person? I do believe that you should hire this person is if you know what you're doing when it comes down for Amazon ads, right? So you have already your setup, you already know what works, what doesn't, you're creating an SOP process on how you're doing things, and then this person is going to be trained on how you like things to be done, and that's what they're going to do. So in that case, they can take over for you. When it comes down to when should you hire this person, I believe whenever you consider that, first off, you already know what to do, how to do in order to train someone, because training someone is really important, unless you're hiring someone who you're not training and they're going to run their own strategy and they have their own systems in place. And why am I saying this is because first thing that, I learned personally when we started hiring out people is that everyone was saying, oh, hire that out. But no one was telling me that if I'm going to hire this out, I genuinely have to train someone on the things that I do, and the way how I'm doing things, either if they had the skills, either if they did not have the skills, and it was a huge time investment on my end, or if I hired someone who already knew how it's done, so they were strategic, they were maybe an agency, they already had the processes in place, so there I just have to understand the process enough to see if they are BSing or if they are doing the job. Anyhow, if we grew in revenue, if we got booked calls, if we got more leads, then clearly, because those are the jobs that I hired for external agencies, then clearly they did the job. So I believe first off, when should you hire is realistically look on your end. Is there anyone else whose time is better invested in your advertising, in managing your ads, or is it you be still running your ads? And then you're just going to start and just put together a quick list on how you like things to be done, and only that hire them.